In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can change the template of your Wix.com website. Just so you know, you can't actually directly change the template on the website itself, as it has certain features that you can just copy and paste onto a different theme. But I'll teach you how you can work around this problem. So for example, here I have this template from Wix. It's a pizza website. And if I really like the design right here, I can just click and drag here. So I copy all of the text right here and then right click and click save to my designs here. I'm just going to call this pizza and then simply click save once you're happy with it. Now I can go to my newly designed Wix website. In this case, I just have a blank page with a background color. I'm just going to click reload right here, and then in just a moment we can go and add the text and the design we just saved. So just from here, just wait a moment. And now you can go over here on the big plus button where it says add elements right here. Go all the way down to the bottom where it says my designs, and now we can see we have the design I just saved called pizza. And if I click on it, it's going to be saved as a whole element here. And now you can just drag around and, customize it to your liking, put it in the middle of the website or over to the right or the left if you want. It's really up to you. But that's pretty much how you can copy some features from a template and basically copy and change the theme of your Wix.com website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below and I'll try my best to help you.